Welcome all. Today we are going to discuss about pipes in Linux. First of all, a pipe. What is a pipe? A pipe is a way to connect the output of one program to the input of another program without any temporary file. A pipe is nothing but a temporary storage place where the output of one command is stored and then passed to as the input of the second command. Pipes are used to run more than two commands. That means multiple commands can be run in the same command line. Pipes is used to combine two or more commands or more than two or three or four or n type of commands can be combined in a single pipe operation, and in this the output of one command acts as the input of another command, and this command's output may act as an input to the next command, and so on. Actually, the general working behind the pipe is that pipes first command's operations output will act as the input for the second command. Pipes is just a temporary storage file which is used to connect different types of processes or command in which the output of the first command will act as the input for the second command or the process. A pipe is a form of redirection, transfer of standard output to some other destination, so that is used in a Linux or other Unix-like operating system to send the output of one command or a program, or it can be a process, to another command or process for further processing. The Unix or Linux system allows standard output of a command to be connected to the standard input of another command. We can make the pipe operation or the we can do the pipe execution by using the pipe character, by this pipe character. The general syntax which is used to do the execution in a pipe operation is like this. N number of commands can be used in a pipe operation. First of all, in this case, the general syntax says that the input or the input the output which is received from the first command will treat as an input for the second command, and this in this and the output of this command will be treated as the input for the next command, and this will continue like a cycle until the last command is executed, and it will be displayed in the as a final set of results. First of all, remember the points that pipes is used for connect different types of processes in its execution. The general working behind the pipes is that the output of the first command or the first process will act as an input for the next command, and the final result will be showed in the final command destination or after the execution of the final command. This can be further understood by exploring these examples. First example is that the is command and the more command, it is connected by using the pipe character. The ls command will list out the file details, and the ls command output will be given to the more command as its input, and the more command will list out the details of the file in a single screen at a time. First of all, remember the thing that the output of the first command will be treated as the input for the second command, and this is how the processing of files execution happens. Output of the ls command, which means the ls command will list out the uh, file details, and the ls command is given as the input for more command, so that the output is printed one screen full page at a time. Next, the second one is the who command and the sort command. The first command is the who command and the second command is the sort command. The first who command's output, which means it will display the user login details, and it will transfer the output of the who command to the next command sort as its input. The output of who command is given as input to sort command, so that it will print sorted list of users. the output of the first command is treated as the input for the second command. That's how it works. Next, the third example is that cat file cat operation is connected by using the sort command. The cat file is in a working process in which it can view the file within a file1. The file1, for example, in this case, consider that file1 contains the details of some students. The output of the cat command will be given as the input of the second command, and after the execution of the second command, sorted details of the student's name will be displayed. Output of cat command is given as the input of sort command, so that in that file will be displayed as in a sorted alphabetical order. Nothing much to remember. The general working is there happening in this file. In this command execution, first of all, the cat command is connected by using the sort command. The cat command views the content in the files, and it will transfer its output as an input for the sort command, and the sort command displays the sorted files in the file one in the file 1, and the file details will be displayed in a sorted way. The next command is the association between the sort and the unique command. The sort command sort the different types of data that is present, the data or information that is present in the file with the name record, and the output of the sort command will be redirected or given to the as input for the unique command, and the data will be, or the unique values will be displayed. Here, sort and unique command is to sort a file and to print the unique values. This will sort the given file and print the unique value. The output of the first command will be treated as an input of the second command, and hence the execution can be done. So we all discuss about what is a pipe. A pipe is a connecting temporary device which is used to connect different types of processes. The general working behind a pipe is that the output of the first command or the process can be the input of the second command, and we can do this by n number of commands. The repetition can be done, or the continuation can be done by n number of commands. The pipe's operation is done by using the pipe character, and this can be a association between, or the pipe operation is an association between different commands that we want to execute. The output of the first process will be act as an input for the second process. That's all about pipes. Thank you.